The Ant and the Grasshopper is an age-old fable which talks about the ant, which is very, very hardworking, and the grasshopper, who's a fun-making, lazy creature. We are going to read the story Ant and the Grasshopper prescribed in your book and see how can we relate the actual ant and grasshopper fable with this story of the ant and the grasshopper in your book. This story by Somerset Maugham is about two brothers, George Ramsay and Tom Ramsay. George Ramsay is a hard-working person. He saves money for his peaceful retired life. All his life he's been doing lots of hard work so that he can give a better life to his family and lead a happy and peaceful life towards the end. On the other hand, Tom Ramsay, his brother, was considered as the black sheep of the family. He was a very different personality. He does not go for job. He prefers to enjoy his life. He abandons his wife and children. He borrows money from many people and expects his brother to pay off his debts. The story starts when the narrator shares his experience as a small boy who was made to learn all these fables and the morals as well. He says of all the stories that he had learnt in his childhood with their morals, one of them was the ant and the grasshopper. He was always told that the ant is a hardworking creature and always leads a happy life, whereas a grasshopper is a very lazy creature. He makes fun when he should work and then he has to face difficulties. The writer confesses in the very beginning that he always hated the ant because, according to the story, the ant had not helped the grasshopper when the grasshopper was in need. He also says that in his childhood, there was not a single ant that came in front of him and he might have not stamped it badly. The story starts with the writer meeting George Ramsay when George Ramsay was lunching by himself in a restaurant. That was the day when he all of a sudden remembered the fable The Ant and the Grasshopper. The writer mentions that George Ramsay was in a very, very bad state of mind that day. He was very upset, very gloomy. Therefore, the writer immediately thought that it must be his brother Tom Ramsay who might have again created another problem for him. Therefore, he asked his friend George what had happened. And then George narrated to him all the incident. George told his friend that Tom Ramsay never wanted to work in his life. All his life he had only had fun. He left his wife and his children. And not only that, he also philandered with girls. He went to race courses and he enjoyed his life to the fullest. Whenever he needed money, he asked his brother George for that. In case George refused, he would bully him like anything. For that, he worked as a bartender in the club where George used to go every day. Outside the club, he would do the work of a chauffeur. And this he would do only to make George feel low, so that George would pay his debts and pay him as much money as he wanted. George always felt with all these ways, his brother Tom would end in the gutter, would never have a happy future. But this time things were very much different. Nobody could think this could ever happen. Tom was engaged to a very rich woman who died because of her old age. She was of his mother's age. And after her death, she left behind a lot of property and money for Tom to enjoy all his life. So this time, with the end, Tom would not need to work. Suddenly he remembered the fable of the ant and the grasshopper, in which the ant George, who had worked hard, was left with only the little amount of money that he had saved for himself and his future, whereas Tom, the grasshopper, who had not done any hard work in his life, was left with a lot of money and a life full of enjoyment. In this story, the writer has reversed the theme of the actual fable, The Ant and the Grasshopper. Therefore, he's named the fable the same. The story also got the name of The Ant and the Grasshopper.